Hibiscus leaves and flowers contain various nutrients and amino acids that help nourish hair follicles, strengthen hair roots, repair hair shaft, and stimulate cell proliferation for faster hair growth. Homemade hibiscus hair mask will deeply condition your hair and help reduce hair fall by strengthening the strands from the very root, in addition to fighting a whole range of other hair problems. How to make hibiscus hair mask at home to control hair fall. Take 25 hibiscus leaves and grind them into a paste. Next, add the paste of 1 onion along with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 drops of rosemary essential oil and 1 drop of lavender oil. Now, apply this mix to the scalp and leave it on for an hour before washing it off. Note: hair damage can take some time to reverse once it occurs, but hibiscus can help accelerate the hair repair process. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.